Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be starting something new. I'm going to start this the 1st of January. I'm doing something based on something I saw my friend Jessica do on her channel. Her name is Jessica Lee. I will link her channel down below. If she's like the queen of panning. She started the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group that now is all these ladies are on Instagram and on YouTube, and they're doing panning things. I've met several people doing that have become friends. But anyway, I'm not that great of a panner. I figured that out. I'm just not good at panning things, using things up, and I don't know where that comes from. I guess use a light hand when I use my items. I don't know, but I'm not like I'm not really good at panning, and I can admit that. But she has done this thing for this year. It's called 50-50. She chose 50 makeup items, 50 skincare items that she wanted to use up. I think with her, she wanted to totally use them up and then be gone. I watched her check in, I think, for November. I haven't seen the finale one yet. I don't think she's used up everything, but she did have 50 and 50. Well, I started thinking about it. If I choose 50 makeup items, that's almost everything I've got, not counting palettes. There's no way I could do a palette. But I don't really have that much makeup. I'm going to be doing my inventory soon. You'll be seeing those like real soon. Hopefully between now and the end of the year, I'll be getting those out. But I wanted to do something like that, and then I thought, I've got some samples. So I'm going to do the 50-50 challenge with samples, but I'm going to tweak it. I'm calling mine 50-50 the bite-sized version, since it is samples. But also, I don't have 50 makeup samples. I probably have 50 skincare samples, but I don't have 50 makeup. So I've divided my samples into two groups. Group A is makeup and hair care. Group B is skincare and body care. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and pulled 25 samples from each group. I'm going to start with that. It's going to be a rolling pan, so my goal by the end of the year is to use 50 samples from group A and 50 samples from group B. This is either going to be really easy to do or it's going to be harder for me to do. We'll just have to see. I have some samples on my desk right now I'm using that, like, I'm using this little serum. I've used this several days and I still have serum to use. So some samples take me longer to use. Some samples is a one-time only. So it's just kind of how it is. But my goal, I'm going to keep track. My goal is to use 50 from each group, 50 hair care makeup, 50 skincare body care, and any more than that, it will be fine. And I will come on every month and do a check-in and let you know how it's going. So I didn't know if you wanted to see all these samples that I've pulled, or you want to wait until I use them up. I will show you. Here is this one is the skincare and body care box. It's in a box that one of my husband's guitar pedals came in. Very important. And then this box is hair and makeup. So I do have them pulled, but I don't think I'm going to go through and just show you everything. I will lay them out and put a photograph in and show you both groups. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. This channel is it's very slow to grow. I know a lot of that is algorithm, and I know a lot of that is because of my missing chunks of time due to illness and moving, and it just messed up my algorithm. So I am at the part where I really need this channel. It makes me put my makeup on. It makes me take care of myself, my skin, my hair. It keeps me accountable. So I will keep on making videos. And those of you who watch them, I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. And I know who most of you are. So I appreciate that so much. So thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you happen to be new here and you want to hang around, I would love some new friends. So if you would just subscribe, it's free. Doesn't cost you a thing. So guys, again, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.